I am Moty Fridman, the founder of -417. I've been an artist for many years and achieved worldwide recognition. At a certain point, I decided to enter to the realm of beauty and skincare. And so, back in 2003, I established -417, a global skincare brand that is sold in over 40 different countries, including Europe, Asia, and North America. As an artist, my continual passion for beauty, purity, and textures inspired me to create effective emotional skincare products as a tool to make people become a master of their own art. Remember that your face is your canvas. Before makeup and other enhancers, beauty starts with your skincare.